How birds get oxygen inside their eggs. You might not know about the amazing facts while you are frying them sunny side up on a Sunday morning, but chicken eggs are some pretty sophisticated pieces of packaging. Hard-shelled bird eggs contain albumin or egg white and a yolk. The fertilized egg, or embryo, develops within the yolk and feeds on it and the white. The little bird has a shelter, food, almost everything it needs inside the egg, except, apparently, a little fresh air. Animals that develop inside their mothers, such as mammals, get their oxygen from their mothers through the umbilical cord. A bird in an egg doesn't have such an obvious way of taking in oxygen and getting rid of carbon dioxide, but the egg, again, takes care of everything. Directly below the eggshell are two membranes. When the mother lays the eggs, they are very hot, and as they cool, the material inside the egg shrinks a bit. The two membranes separate a bit and create a small pocket or air sac. As the developing bird grows, it breathes in oxygen from the air sac and exhales carbon dioxide. Several thousand microscopic pores throughout the egg's surface allow carbon dioxide to escape and fresh air to enter. These pores also allow moisture to enter the egg so the bird doesn't dry out and the egg parts dry out.